Zebronics ZEB-Thunder. I've heard a lot of good things about this company, and I mean, this is one of those headphones where you can kind of use a micro SD card to listen to music. But here's why I'm very skeptical. Like, there are devices out there that just take a micro SD card and play a music without having to connect to anything. But whenever a company says that, hey, listen, you can just use a micro SD card to listen to media without having to connect it with the Bluetooth function, then they are essentially saying that don't pay too much attention to Bluetooth. At least that's the case with this thing. So the Bluetooth function wasn't really good, and they were trying to hide it with these extra features. So whenever a company does that, it's kind of sus. But hopefully Zebronics is not doing that. But let's check it out. Oh, this flap was tighter than I'm not gonna say. Okay, fairly minimal packaging. I'm okay with that. And oof, okay, the first impressions is not great. The outer body is pretty cheap plastic, as you can hear. The foam is pretty tight and not very great. Yeah, I'm not overly impressed with this. How much is this anyway? Okay, well, that's a decent price. On their official website it's actually more expensive. It's around 1000 rupees margin, but on Amazon it seems to be around 800. Yeah, I can see this around 800. Okay, looking around this thing, it's not there's nothing much to see really. These are the media controls, and that's the famous SD card slot. There's a dedicated call receive function, so that's to receive and end call. So I guess there's a huge emphasis on phone calls here. There's a micro USB cable to charge it up. An included aux cable seems not that great. It seems like it'll break in probably a month or so. It's already pretty bent, as you can see. Yeah, you may have to use your own aux cable if you're planning on using this for a long time. So it's okay, it's fine for the price, but again, don't expect too much from this. Fairly standard user manual. So even though the build quality is a little mediocre, I mean, look at that. Yeah, that's not nice, but surprisingly they're relatively flexible, as you can see. So nothing great, but they're decent, and the headband is actually quite nice, much better than the ear cups. These things, I see them getting quite hot and sweaty around your ears. We'll try them out in a second, but yeah, that's the basic overview of it. Of course, there is the legendary headphone jack, which no one else uses anymore. Oh, there it is. There's a power symbol. And pair. Pretty standard. Well, there is a left and right separation here, L and R. I'm not sure how stereo they'll be, but yeah, this is supposed to be on the right side, so these will be behind your head, I guess, and that is quite natural. Like when you reach like this, your fingers will reach behind your ears anyway, so this should be natural. Let's take a listen to them. The initial fit was really tight. These are pretty small, like they don't fit on your ears very well at all, and I did notice that it's pretty easy to remove these in case you want to clean them. But I'm not sure how they are supposed to go back on. I'm not even supposed to, like, I don't even know we are supposed to remove these or not. I think so. Now, how do I put this back? Oh no. Someone help me. Oh boy, I finally got these installed, and it's been 1 year now. Don't believe me? That's today's date, 26th of December 2021. Yeah, don't ever remove these. There is not an easy way of reinstalling them back. What the hell, Zebronics? But yeah, I listened to some music, and actually the sound quality is pretty good. The only problem is the comfort. These ear cups, or whatever you call them, like I said, they are too small to fit in your ears. And when I was listening to them, they hurt my front side of my ears. So I couldn't wear them continuously for more than 10 minutes at a time. Now I do have good things to say about the microphone. Like, these do have Google Assistant built in. I mean, you can invoke them by pressing and holding this for about 2.5 seconds. If you keep pressing and holding, it will switch it off. So it will bring up assistant of your choice, and you can directly send commands from this microphone itself, which is it's here. So this microphone is quite decent, and here's a sample of how it sounds on a phone call. Hi, Oxford. Yeah. Check this out. So why do you call them buildings when they're already built? That's my question. Like, shouldn't building be, or ing word be, for present continuous or past continuous? Why is it still called a building? So if it's still under construction, should I say this building is building up, or I'm building a building? What's the right use there? Also, now that you're here, since pro is the opposite word for con, is congress the opposite word for progress? So, like progress and congress, are they antonyms? Like, then who should I vote for? Can you help me with that? Anyway, yeah, I'm leaving this message. So get back to me. Thanks. Oh wow, that was not very good, was it? I mean, the included aux cable doesn't have any inline microphone, so that is the call quality they were talking about. Like, it's not like, okay, this wireless headphone has a mic, but you're supposed to use something else. No, this is the thing that they're advertising. I mean, they even provide a button here and everything indicating that this is meant for phone calls or whatever. But with that kind of microphone performance in a quiet room like this, like this is the room that I spoke earlier. So you did hear the voice wasn't that great, and I was speaking like this with this same volume. I'm not sure if this is worth it even. Now, yeah, you can plug a separate 3.5mm aux cable here, not the one they provided. This one doesn't have a mic. So if you have a separate third-party cable, then you can use it as you can connect this and use it that way. Like this one, for example. It has an inline microphone and aux cable ends. So this is from a separate headphone. I think it was from the Move Acoustics. Yeah, it's from the Move Acoustics Impulse headphones. But you can use this with this as well. I mean, I was really looking forward to using this, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to be using this very often. It's pretty uncomfortable. I mean, it's the holiday season and this was a gift, and I appreciate it. The gift is about, giving something for someone, and it's not exactly about the product itself. But ultimately, once you unbox this is just another headphone, and they're not very good. So yeah, if you're paying for these, then don't. Otherwise, it's fine. You can kind of use this as a prop headphone. I think I'll use this as a background ornament. That's not bad. It looks pretty good. It's using Bluetooth 4.2, so there is still a very noticeable delay between audio and video. So when you're watching videos, you can clearly tell the delay between the actual voice and the lips moving in the video. So it won't give you a very good experience at all. So this is strictly meant for music if you have very tiny ears, which will kind of accommodate this small size. But still, if you're a normal human being and you have normal sized ears, this will be uncomfortable for you. So I don't recommend you buy this. For $8.99, you may not get a very good pair of wireless headphones, but you do get some exceptional quality earphones. I'll leave some of my favorites in the description. They're all very high quality. I probably made videos for all of them as well. You can check it out if you want. But yeah, you can check the link in the description for my recommended products under this price range. And yeah, I'll throw in some wireless neck bands as well if you want to have that wireless convenience. But yeah, this thing was kind of a letdown. I didn't expect this to fail in this many ways, but it did. I mean, I told you, right? Micro SD and everything, it's kind of a compensation mechanism for hiding the main flaw of this, that Bluetooth is not good and it's not comfortable. And well, you heard the microphone quality yourself, so I'll let you be the judge of that. Alright, well, that about does it from me. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.